In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the file size of videos using a simple tool. So what I have here is a project that I just did for a client inside After Effects. Let me go to the exported folder, and as you can see here, this file is large, very large. Let me go to properties so that we can see the in gigs. So we have a file here of 9.4 gigs, and of course this is a monstrous file size for a very short video. I think this is a 2-minute video or less, right? So I'm going to show how we'll bring down this file size. So what we want to do, we want to go to Google and install a tool called handbrake. It's a free application, and it's a very light application, and this tool will reduce your file size to a very small one while maintaining the quality. So all I need to do now is just simply drag this MOV file into handbrake, and of course there are many features here that you can actually meddle with. So for example, we are seeing a summary here. The dimensions, we can set the dimensions, we can set the encoder, which I always use H.264 for my encoder. That's my preferred one, and that's pretty much the standard for videos. We can set the preset to fast 1080p, and of course if we wanted 4K and other stuff like that, we could actually set it there. So these are my settings: 1080p, 30 frames per second, and that's pretty much it. So all I need to do now is just simply choose a location. So I'm going to choose the client's folder, and as you can see here, it will change it from MOV to MP4. I'm cool with that. If I want, I can give it a name. So I'll just rename this real quick for you. So I'll just call it smaller, right? And hit save, right? So once my settings is good to go, then I'll hit start encoding, and now I'll just give it some time for it to encode and reduce my file size. As you can see, handbrake has completed the file reduction or compression. So let's see what's going on here. So this is the file. It's called smaller, and as you can see here, let me go back to properties. So we're seeing a file size here of 14.8 megabytes, down from 9.8, let me see, 9.4 gigabytes. So that's a massive file reduction. So you can go ahead and install a tool and enjoy high quality videos without massive file sizes. So if this video helped you, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and of course drop a comment below. And until next time, peace out. Take care.